In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate an American Express credit card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this tutorial. Alright, I've created a Google Doc here outlining the steps to deactivate your American Express credit card. So if we scroll down, we can see there's a few different steps here. So let's go through these one by one. So the first thing you need to do is visit the American Express website. So open your web browser and go to the American Express website. And then from there, you want to log into your account. So click on the login button, usually found in the upper right hand corner. And then you want to navigate to the account service section. So once logged in, find and click on account services or account management tab. This might be in a drop down menu under your name or account profile icon, and then locate the cancel card option. And if you can't locate it, you can also do a search to say cancel card. So in the account services section, look for options related to cards management or manage your card. You can find and click on cancel card or close account. This also may be listed under manage other features as well. So once you do that, confirm your cancellation request. So you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to cancel your card. Read any warnings or information about what happens when you cancel. Confirm your choice by following the prompts, which may include entering your password again. And then provide a reason for cancellation. You might be asked to provide a reason for why you're cancelling the card. Select the reason from the provided options or type your reason in a text box if prompted. And then you just simply submit the cancellation request. So after confirming your reason, submit the cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation message or email that your card has been deactivated. And then review the final steps. So follow any additional instructions provided, such as destroying the physical card or confirming any outstanding balances. And I've listed some important considerations before cancelling as well. So outstanding balance. So make sure your account balance is paid off or that you have a plan to pay it. Reward points. So redeem any remaining reward points as they might be forfeited upon cancellation. You don't want to lose those reward points. And then, so impact on credit score. So be aware that cancelling a credit card can affect your credit score, especially if it's your oldest account or if you have a significant credit limit on that. And just, so additional tips. So consider contacting customer service if you're unsure about the cancellation process, or if you want to discuss alternatives such as downgrading to a no-fee card, etc. You can contact these people at, so you got a customer service phone number here I've listed here, it's US, and then they've got live chat, so available on their Amex website, and they've also got secure messaging. So use the secure messaging option while you're online account for assistance.